I am going to demonstrate to you how to replace the vacuum silicone out of a 3D mini vacuum press with the seal that you use when you're using this heat press just as an oven and don't require the vacuum function. First of all, unclip the corners firmly and pull it away from the heating element. So that'll expose the heating element in the lid. Now you'll see that it's going on the inside of this black bracket. I'm just going to pull away one corner and peel it off. To keep it simple, bring it back onto your, whoops, the other way around, bring it back onto your seal, and from the inside, peel it back and just insert it carefully into the bracket. See that? I'm going to go the whole way around from the inside and bringing the firmer part of the seal into the bracket. And there you have it. I have to be honest, it did take me a little while to figure out how to do that, but when you get in the swing of it, it's really quite easy. Now these 2 feet here go to the bottom of the lid, and all you do is click it back in place, and there you have it. Subscribe to our channel and we'll keep you up to date with all things sublimation, even things like this.